how to manage your high school informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your high school informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information. And now just click on your high school and here you can manage anything you want and you can delete it if you want here, and you can add another high school if you want, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.